Tired of generic communication solutions? Let's unlock the power of Twilio and build custom experiences that connect you with your audience like never before. First, head over to Twilio.com and create a free account. You'll need to verify your email address and phone number to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Twilio console. This is your central hub for managing your account and accessing Twilio's features. Next, acquire a Twilio phone number. Navigate to the phone number section in the console and choose a number that suits your needs. This number will be your gateway for sending SMS messages and making voice calls. Now let's dive into the core functionality. Sending SMS. Twilio provides simple APIs for various programming languages. Use the Twilio client libraries to initiate sending SMS messages. You'll need your account SID and auth token, which you can find on the console dashboard. Making voice calls is just as straightforward. Using similar Twilio client libraries, you can use simple commands to initiate outbound calls, build interactive voice menus, and handle incoming calls with automated responses. Twilio is versatile. Use it for appointment reminders via SMS, create a customer support chatbot, implement two-factor authentication, or build a full-fledged communication platform. That's a quick overview of Twilio. Explore the documentation, experiment with the APIs, and unleash your creativity to craft unique communication solutions. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tutorials. Happy coding!